You know, there's no shortage of die-cast police cars. I know that because I have a ton of them. I don't remember where I picked up this particular casting, probably on eBay. It was introduced by Mattel from 1978 until 1997. Originally it was a Flying Colors casting based on the 1978 California Highway Patrol Dodge Monaco. It was also released over the years as a fire chief squad, a police car, and a sheriff's patrol, and in a few different liveries at different times. There was a retooled re-release in 2013 that looked nice with improved tampos and its GHO wheels. I'm just looking to restore this. I found a couple of axles with Blackwall tires in my junkyard, and I have the decals, so stick around.
There's a man around the corner, he's been asking me for change, and I could use some. Think I could use some sometimes. All these things slow me down, like the concrete that's been sticking to the bottom of my shoes. Soles worn and tired have started wearing through. I can feel them heavier now. There's a hole here in my pocket, it reminds me of the ways I am hungry and always running for an open door. But on the highway, heavy-hearted, humming just to hear a sound. Loneliness, it lingers through unfamiliar towns, all of them stunning, and none of them home. And I don't know if I live like this for peace of mind. Can't say if I do it for the foolish pride, or maybe it's all just to prove that I'm alive. I'm alive, so I tell myself I'm brave, and I swear that I'm bold, but I'm afraid it isn't so. Maybe I'm nothing more than alone. Am I running just to run? 'Cause sometimes it seems running is all I've ever done. But is there something more to settle for that I've given up? Does this fickle heart